Spring has sprung, and with it comes sunshine, warm weather, and spring cleaning. And this month you can get some great rewards with Young Living's monthly gift with purchase program, formerly known as PV Promo.
All right, now first up at the 300 PV level, we have one of our most popular essential oil blends, and that is our Thieves Essential Oil. Now this is a blend of 5 of our popular oils, and that is cinnamon bark, clove, eucalyptus radiata, lemon, and rosemary. So got all 5 in there.
Really great oils in this blend.
And the aroma smells amazing. It's very rounded out with that cinnamon, but then it also has the sweetness of lemon. It smells very clean and uplifting.
A little spicy and warm,
A little
too.
spicy. Yeah, we love it. And so this is a great product to diffuse around your home, especially in the kitchen. Now, I don't know about you. I hate cooking bacon. I hate it.
I don't do that.
Yeah, she doesn't. So anytime that I cook bacon, which isn't very often, I just hate how the smell lingers. So I love to diffuse Thieves because it really helps to neutralize and cleanse the air of that odor that kind of lingers around. It's also great to diffuse by your garbage can, or we were talking earlier about putting a few drops in your disposal before you go to bed at night so that when you wake up, your kitchen just smells fresh and the sink smells, gives that clean, neutral odor. It smells amazing. So
just a drop in the sink, or I like combining with baking soda too.
Oh, and doing some scrubs. So we forgot to mention too that Thieves is the base of our Thieves Essential, or our Thieves cleaning line. So our Thieves Essential Oil blend is infused into so many of our popular cleaning products, and it's just amazing. So we also love our Thieves cleaning line, which is why this is a great product to infuse into your DIY cleaning products at home.
Love Thieves.
Yes.
Okay, at this level, 300 PV, you also get bergamot. Now, this is what I call the most luxurious of the citrus family.
Yes.
Bergamot is a citrus, but it's really unique because of the aroma.
Right.
And most of the world's bergamot is produced in southern Italy, including our bergamot. It's sourced from our Bella Vista farm, and has the perfect climate. That's why bergamot comes from that area, because it lets the fruit thrive there. And the actual fruit, we love talking about this because it's so unique. It's like green.
It looks like a lemon, but it's green. And then talk about the rind. Yeah.
It's like rough and bumpy, so we just cold press the rind. Just like our other citrus oils, we use cold pressing as the method. So really interesting.
It smells very citrusy, but it has a little bit of that floral note in there, which is just so nice.
And you don't really get the floral notes with something like lemon.
No.
So it's very unique. Love bergamot. It's been used all over the world for perfumes, for cosmetics, personal care items. It's so great. I love this for diffuser blends, and you can also use this in your skincare routine.
Yes.
Now, we love pointing out with citrus oils, especially if you're new to using essential oils, these citrus oils can be photosensitive.
Right.
So you want to avoid direct sunlight for 12 to 48 hours. So when you apply it topically.
When you apply it topically, yes. So the best time to use citrus oils topically, I always say, is at night. When you're doing your skincare routine and you want to apply citrus oil, apply it then. So then you sleep through the night and you're ready to go for the day.
Yes. So if you're using bergamot, maybe add it to your moisturizer at night. It's a great way to use it. One other favorite way to use it is in perfumes. That's just one of the best notes to use as your middle note if you're wanting to make your own perfume.
Awesome. All right, next up at the 250 PV level, we have one of my favorite citrus oils. I think I say that about every product, but it's Jade Lemon. Now, Jade Lemon is actually sourced from our Taiwan cooperative farm, and this is such a unique smelling oil, but it smells so amazing.
Beautiful.
It smells beautiful. So this is a great one to diffuse while you're studying or trying to tackle a to-do list, which I think we all are doing every day. So this is a great everyday oil for your diffuser. Oh, and I just love it. You could combine this also with like a sugar scrub recipe. You could do your own DIYs with it. It's also great to help clean off things off the wall. So if your kids, I have a 3-year-old, likes to color on the wall, I'll put a drop of this on a cotton ball and just gently rub on the wall, and it will help to remove that crayon or marker. So
what a fun hack.
A good little hack for you parents out there or grandparents. And it's just a really great smelling oil. I was telling Rita, one of my favorite diffuser blends with Jade Lemon is Jade Lemon and Spearmint. It smells so good.
Doing that today.
It's kind of like a jelly bean. It smells very sweet. So try that out and comment below if you guys have a favorite diffuser blend using Jade Lemon.
Love that. Okay, you also get grapefruit at this level.
Yes.
One of my favorites.
Another great citrus.
we use all of these oils,
Yes.
but grapefruit is just that really bright. I feel like it's a little more bitter than some of our other citrus fruits as far as aroma goes, but It's incredible. And this is actually a hybrid of the pomelo and the orange.
Interesting.
Kind of cool. And some people might be wondering, why is it called grapefruit?
Yeah,
like,
I've never thought about that, but
where did the name come from? So the trees can actually grow really tall, like up to like 20 feet.
Wow.
And then they have like some really dense foliage and grape-like clusters. Like
Oh,
the fruit
I didn't
grows
know that.
in these clusters. So that's
Interesting.
how we get the name.
Yeah.
So this is such a great one to use in your diffuser blends. I also thought it'd be fun to do a room spray like spritzer.
Right.
So adding some other citrus oils and peppermint, and you can like just spray the room even before like guests arrive.
I love that.
Yeah.
That's a great idea.
With like the sunshine coming out, it's perfect.
Yeah,
So-
very springy, right?
Yes.
Want the sun. All right, next up at the 190 PV level, you're going to get Tangerine Essential Oil. Now, tangerine smells, again, another great citrus oil, great for your diffuser. I love how it smells. It smells, I believe, a little bit more, or I think it smells more sweet than an orange essential oil. So I like to use this again in my diffuser, just that really good uplifting scent, if you will, happy and bright. Oh, I just love it. It's also extracted by cold pressing, just like all of our other citrus oils. And they believe that tangerine is actually originated in Southeast Asia, but now you can find it kind of all over the world. But it's a very cheery scent, if you will. So add it in your diffuser. I always like to do a citrus with a minty oil.
Yes.
So that's kind of how I do my diffuser blends. And it is a popular ingredient in our Peace and Calming Essential Oil, Inner Child, and Joy. So I know a lot of people love those products.
Great oils.
Yes,
that include
powerhouse.
That. All right, at 190 ER, so on Essential Rewards, you get peppermint. Now, this is a staple. Like anyone that's just starting their oil journey,
Yes.
you have to have peppermint. So this is a great oil because it has this minty, kind of familiar aroma. So like she was talking about with diffuser blends, this is a great one to use at the start of your day.
Yeah.
Mix it with some citrus oils, and it's just so like.
I just love this scent. It
Yes.
makes your house just feel like very invigorating in a way, but it's just that lively scent.
Yes.
I love it.
And we get our peppermint, we looked at different farms, but one of them is our farm here in Mona, Utah, our Young Living Lavender Farm and Distillery. So that's where we get some of it. And just for fun, this one bottle, just the 15 ml, takes about 1 pound of the peppermint leaves in the plant to create
so crazy,
that.
right?
So just to show you how potent this bottle is.
Very potent.
So this is also a great one to use topically. So especially after exercise or maybe even during a workout, you can apply it on your chest. But I love putting it like on my muscles.
Yes, it's post-workout.
Yes.
It's awesome. All right, and then last but not least, we have Citrus Fresh. So this is also at the 190 ER level. And Citrus Fresh is kind of a blend of all of these unique oils and citrus oils that we've been talking about. So it has lemon, grapefruit, orange, tangerine, mandarin, which we did not talk about mandarin, and spearmint essential oils. So it's a great blend of all those citrus oils combined into one with just a hint of that mintiness in there.
Just a little tease of the
Citrus Fresh is great to combine into your DIY home cleaning products. So I love to do scrubs with this, or I'll put it in my Thieves household cleaner and just give it a little bit more of that citrus smell. Also great for your diffuser. It just has all those citrus oils in there that we love. And then you can pair it with oils like Stress Away or cedarwood.
Ooh.
Yeah, just kind of give you that rounded out scent. It's really just a very versatile product. So again, I like to use it in my DIY home cleaning.
Yeah, and I love diffusing this at the start of the day. I talk about using it in the morning. This is a perfect one to choose for the morning.
Yeah, and all of these products fit into your spring cleaning. So you can combine all of these into your Thieves house cleaner or any other DIY cleaning products that you're doing. Add these in and just give them that spring, bright, cheery scent.
So good. And as a reminder, of course, at 100 PV, you get free shipping. So
can't forget that.
Yes.
Okay. All right, you guys, thanks for joining us. And hopefully you guys all have a great time with your spring cleaning and enjoy the sunshine. So we'll see you next month. Thanks for tuning in.